Hey everybody, my name is Bailey Harlow. I'm coming to you here from my back deck in Vincent, Ohio, hanging out with my dog Ruby, my cat Mittens. It's a beautiful day to get outside, even though we all have to stay where we're at, but nothing like nature. Gotta love it. So I just want to share a little something that I hope sticks with all of you. So this past summer, one of my good friends that I used to have to workshop with gave us a little token. It was this little light. Keep it on my keys. And kind of went with our Go Light Your World theme, but at the same time, it was a little bit about just, being the light in the darkness to other people, just giving them something to hold on to, because you never know what they're going through. But, this pandemic, this thing that we're going through, a lot of us, it's the first time in our lives that we've had one thing that we've all been through. So we all kind of understand what each other is experiencing right now. So we don't have to work as hard to kind of get what people are feeling, but at the same time, we have to work that much harder to, have an impact on everybody else, because they might not listen when we're like, oh, yeah, we understand, whatever. So I just want you to maybe kind of reflect a little, think, what can I do to have this impact on people? Can I shoot them a text or something, say, hey, how you doing? Can I send them a picture of my cat or my dog? Because I know they like that, and I know that'll brighten their day. Just something, because I know that a lot of people go through a lot of different things, whether, it be socially or mentally or anything like that. You never know what people are going through. Like, we all know that we're going through this pandemic together, but do we really know what else is going on? So reach out to those people that you're close to, and let them reach out to you at the same time. Don't think I have to be here for everybody. You can let people be there for you too. So hey Mittens. So yeah, just continue to push through, support others, let them support you. Don't be afraid to let them help you. I know I have a big problem with that sometimes, but yeah, just keep pushing. We're gonna make it. It might be a new normal when it's over, but it'll become a normal again, and we're gonna be fine. We're gonna push through, and we're gonna keep changing the world. So thanks, guys.